day everyone. Today we would like to share an important message that concerns not only your oral health but your overall well-being. The importance of replacing missing teeth. Many people assume that losing one or two teeth is harmless, especially if it doesn't cause immediate pain. However, each tooth in your mouth plays a unique and a vital role. When even one tooth is lost, a series of slow but serious changes begins to take place, affecting your bite, facial appearance, speech, and even your confidence. Let's understand step by step what happens when a missing tooth is not replaced in time. There are many reasons to replace the missing teeth. One among them is bone loss. Tooth is lost, the underlying bone no longer receives natural stimulation from chewing forces. Without the stimulation, the bone gradually begins to sting. This process is called bone resorption. This leads to a decrease in facial height and can cause a collapsed appearance of the lower third of the face. Along with the bone loss, there is also an overall imbalance in the muscle that controls jaw movements. Over time, this imbalance may result in stress on the TMJ joint, leading to symptoms such as clicking sound, discomfort, and difficulty in jaw movements. So, replacing teeth on time not only restores function and appearance but also helps to maintain healthy muscle balance and joint movements. Next comes facial appearance. As bone resorption progresses, the cheeks, lips begins to lose their natural support. This can make the face look sunken, wrinkled, and older than the true appearance. Even though this change happens gradually, it can significantly alter your appearance and self-confidence over time. Replacing missing teeth early helps to restore a proper lip and cheek support, preventing premature facial aging and maintaining a balanced natural appearance.
Hello everyone, so I'm going to talk about supraeruption and tooth drifting. So in supraeruption, when a tooth is missing, the surrounding tooth doesn't simply stay in the place. The opposing tooth and the opposite jaw starts to move upward or downward to the empty space. So we call it as supraeruption. And in tooth drifting, when there is a gap, the adjacent tooth starts to tilt or drift. So we call it as mesial or distal tooth drifting. Such changes causes disturbs your bite alignment, creates gaps to your teeth and cause food lodgement and gum irritation. Such tooth replacement in future it will be more complex and also it costs more expensive. So timely tooth replacement helps to maintain your natural position and harmony of your tooth. So about dental caries and gum problems, when a tooth tilt or drift, it causes small food traps between your teeth where plaque and food debris accumulate, leading to dental caries. So dental caries, gum inflammation, and eventually it causes periodontal disease, and the surrounding tooth are also into a high risk of damage or tooth loss. So by replacing the tooth, we are not only filling the space but we are also protecting the remaining tooth from decay and infection. About tooth fracture and chewing stress. So every tooth in your mouth helps to distribute chewing force eventually. When a tooth is missing, the neighboring teeth handles extra pressure during chewing. So when this happens, there will be micro cracks, wear, or even tooth fracture to these overloaded teeth. So over time you may also experience pain and sensitivity in the neighboring teeth, and so proper replacement of teeth restores the balance function and it also prevents such complications.
The absence of tooth significantly impacts two critical daily functions. One speech, the other one is chewing. Speech, especially when the anterior teeth are missing, the air escapes through the gap and the tongue movement is no longer guided properly, which causes slurred speech, distorted sound, and whistling. Next comes the chewing. Each tooth is designed for a specific function. Missing any tooth, especially the molars, impacts the grinding function. It causes ineffective grinding and digestive issues. Replacing the missing teeth not only restores the physical structure but also the ability to smile freely and confidently. To conclude this, replacing a missing teeth is medically and psychologically essential. Failure to replace them initiates a cascading process of bone loss, tooth shifting, and important functions such as chewing and speech. Modern restorative treatments such as denture, implant, bridges restore the function as well as a healthy smile, which is vital for a long-term healthy and happy life. Thank you.